morning. Sincerely Legenia here. I am back with another video, and today is a kitchen organization video. So I started off by cleaning off my countertops, and I did that really well. And so today I am going to tackle my pantry. Oh my goodness. Let me show you guys what I'm going to be working with. Do you remember the last video where I cleaned and organized my pantry? I was so proud of that. No. Okay, I need something more structured for this living that we're doing right now. For what we do, I need a more structured, more organized pantry. So let me show you what I'm working with, guys. All right, y'all. Do y'all see this foolishness? Do you see this? All right, I can't take it anymore. We don't live this way. Yeah, I just can't take it anymore. So I am so excited to get started on the cleaning and organization of this pantry. I need more structure in here, okay? I'm tired of taking everything out just to get to one item. So today is the day that we are going to get this pantry of mine together. I really need a bigger pantry. But until then, I'm gonna work with what I have, and I'm gonna keep it nice and organized. So let's get started. So the first shelf I cleaned off was the bottom shelf. I cleaned the shelf really well, and before I put the items in, I had to take a look at everything and discard all of the items that were outdated and had expired. So many of these bottles and containers were still full, guys, and I had to throw them away. It really hurt my heart to do that. I have got to do better and make sure I use all of these items in my pantry. So right here, I am just putting everything back nice and neatly. These are all the things that I am going to keep. And now I'm getting started on the second shelf. Guys, look at all of this. So now I'm going to tackle cleaning off this second shelf before I put any of my items back in there. Nice and cleaned now. So now it's time to put everything back. All right, moving on to the next shelf. Oh my goodness, you guys. I think this right here is probably the worst one. Not think, I know. This is the worst one. All right, let's get started. Okay, everybody, so I have worked well into the evening. It is 7:38. I am just finishing up the pantry, and that is only with Angelina's help that I was able to finish by 7:38. Now, mind you, I did stop a few times today to, get some, well, I stopped once to eat dinner. I got a few phone calls, but that maybe took a total of 45 minutes for the whole day. That maybe took up 45 minutes of my pantry time. When I tell you I had to do major cleaning and just looking at every item, throwing everything away, organizing as I was throwing things away. It was just a mess, but I am finally done with the organizational part. Now, I'm still not finished with the pantry because there are a few more items that I'm gonna get. And so I'm going to show you what I was able to finish tonight. And then tomorrow I'm going to go pick up the last few items that I need to complete the look, because I've got a, kind of a look going on here and I want to keep that up. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. All right, guys. So this is what my pantry is looking like now. I am going to also put right here the before picture so you guys can see, remember what it looked like before. So this is what it looks like now. All right. I am so pleased with the outcome here. Now, the few things that I'm going to be picking up tomorrow, I'm going to be replacing these little containers right here. I don't want that blue in here. I've got this little look going on with the clear containers. I like them. I like that look. I like the aesthetics of it. And so I'm going to keep that going. So tomorrow I'm going to go and find some containers to replace those. I'll probably go to the Container Store. Oh, you know what? I may know. No. I don't know where I'm going to go. We'll see tomorrow. I'm going to take you guys along with me. But overall, I'm really pleased with the way everything turned out. I love my little labeler that I got. I love it. It is fantastic. So completely out of flour, but I went ahead and reserved this container right here for flour. But I've got everything right here, and I am just so very pleased with how it turned out. So these are all of my items that definitely are packaged things and canned things that, have to stay in their original packaging. And then my other items down here. All right. So the toughest shelf to clean was definitely this one right here, where I had all of my keto goods and things like that, and low carb items. Guys, let me tell you what I have decided I am going to do. All right, everybody. So this is what I want to do. You see all of these amazing low carb and keto approved items. I have so many items, and I just know I'm not going to be able to get to them all. And I was thinking I was going to just toss them in the trash, but I do not want to do that. These are amazing items. I mean, look at this. These are Parmesan crisps. They are good, but I have a whole bag of them up there that I haven't even touched yet. I have all of these pancake mixes that are keto approved. I have so many different keto flours, birch benders. You guys, I have so many things that just, number one, cannot fit within my pantry anymore, and I know I'm not going to get around to eating them all. So I thought it would be amazing to give them away to you guys. So this is what I'm going to do for the next week. Just leave a comment below saying, hey, I want the keto stuff. And on Friday of next week, I'm just going to randomly just pick someone in the comments to, take these items. Okay. So I may choose one or two people because I have all of these things, guys. And then I have a few more things in my bag here as well. So I'll choose either one or two people to, have all of these amazing low carb goodies. I mean, look, have Lily's salted caramel, have keto cookie dough. I've got Quest cookies, and these are things, again, they haven't been opened. I've got cauliflower rice that I got from Costco. I have a few bags of that still. I have some stevia sweetener. Guys, I got Chalk Zero chocolate, Carb Quick, an entire box of Carb Quick that I just didn't even know I had. So anyway, guys, I'd love for you all to have it. So just leave a comment, and you don't have to pay for shipping or any of that. I'll just ship it right to you guys. So just leave in the comments, I want the keto stuff. And I'll just randomly pick one or two people on next Friday to give these to, and I'll make sure that I announce it. So that's it. Yeah, I'm so excited to be able to give this to you guys. And you know what I'm going to also do? I'm going to also stick a bottle of Sincerely Legenia seasoning in the giveaway boxes as well. Okay, everybody, that is it for tonight. I am tired and my feet are throbbing. I've been doing this all day. So I'm going to put away all of these keto and low carb goodies, and I'm going to get ready for bed. I'm going to come back tomorrow, get these final items for my pantry, and show you all the completed pantry look. All right, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, it is the next day, and I am in Ross. I have found everything that I needed for the rest of my pantry, so let me show you guys what I've got. Okay, so I got me another cutting board because I needed another plastic cutting board for my meats and things, but I'll put that over to the side. Okay, so I got this container right here. You know what? So right now I'm just going to look around. I still have not done my winter decor for the house. So I'm just going to look and see what I can find. There's only one area where I think I may need to buy something. There's something I want to put on the wall. So I'm just going to see if I can find something while I'm here. Angelina is trying to push me to the register. She doesn't think I need to buy anything else. But I'm just looking. Everyone, so now it's time for the big reveal. This is the after my extremely neat, extremely organized pantry. I am so happy to present it to you. Ta-da! Look at that! Look at it, guys. I am just too excited. Look at all of the organization we've got going on. All right, look at that. I love these little clear containers. And then down here, I have my few canned goods, and we have our teas right here. Got a lot of tea. I didn't realize how much tea I had. And then my stocks right here, chicken stock, vegetable stock back there, beef stock. Got all of my stocks and teas and things, and then a few seasonings right here, and then you guys know I have seasonings all over this house. And then here are my other items like salad dressings, oils, hot sauces, and that sort of thing. I am so excited and so pleased about the outcome of this pantry, and I got to use my little label maker, my new one, and put labels on everything. So you guys, I am just excited. Not only did I put the labels, but I also put the expiration dates for everything. So yeah, that's it. That is my clean, neat, and organized pantry, and I am so excited. These are the containers that I got from Ross. This one, 1, 2, and 3. This one right here, and this is just to house little whatnots and things. This one's for crackers and things, and this is for like all of my packages of stuff, you know, seasonings and flavors and sauces and mixes and all that good stuff. So guys, that is it. I am so pleased. Down here at the very bottom, in these 2 bins, we have our chips and things like that. Chips and I've got like my cheese snacks back there, that sort of thing. My Quest chips right here, of course, my family's chips, but that's something about my Quest and things. And then down here, we have more just little snacks, ramen and all that kind of stuff. Got my Quest drinks right here, and we have our bottled waters and things there. So, but that is it, guys. This was fun. All right, my friends, here's one more before and after of the pantry. I hope that it gives you a little bit of motivation to clean and organize your pantry, if in fact yours needs cleaning and organizing like mine did. I am certainly happy with the outcome, so I appreciate you guys coming along with me for this journey. Friends, don't forget that I will be doing the giveaway, so if you're interested, just say pantry giveaway in the comments below, and I will do a random drawing for those of you who are interested. As always, thanks for joining me for another video. Until until the next one, it is my prayer that you and your family have a blessed and a prosperous day. And I'll talk to you next time right here on Sincerely Legenia. Bye, guys.